What's going on, guys? We're back here for another Sprint Booster install, and today we have this 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle controller on the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, and it also has the widest range of applications on the market. If you want to learn more, then head over to sprintboosterusa.com and look for your particular application. Now we're ready to start the installation on this 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. And the first thing you want to do when it comes to these installs is you want to leave your driver door ajar just a bit, and you want to take your key fob and leave it somewhere about 20 feet away or so. That'll give your CAN bus system the opportunity to reset. Next up, go into the driver footwell and locate the gas pedal assembly. Above that, you'll notice the clip to the harness. You'll want to unplug that harness and then take your Sprint Booster module and connect it in line with the harness. Next up, take the Sprint Booster controller switch and hook it up directly to the module. Run the wire up to your dash and mount the selector switch using the provided 3M adhesive. Now you can hit the silver button to turn on your Sprint Booster, and that opens you up to 36 unique modes, including 9 selectable modes in Sport and another 9 in Race mode. On top of that, you do get the added security of Valet mode, along with pedal lock mode. All right, so that wraps up our install on this 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out our website at sprintboosterusa.com and leave us a comment on what vehicle you'd like to see us install another Sprint Booster on next. Thanks, guys.